Jai Shri Ram Babaji.
I forgot.
Babaji.
Huh? The biggest hurdle. Thank you. What is the biggest hurdle of a human being in Kali Yuga?
Overcoming your thoughts.
Overcoming your thoughts. Attachments.
I think me, तो मैं वो हमारी जो and me and I is ego.
Raghu, Narani, what is one biggest thing, Raja?
Assumptions.
Huh?
Assumptions.
Nalini?
बाबा जी हम लोग सोचते हैं हम लोग ही अपने आप ही है क्योंकि हम लोग सोचते हैं सब कुछ यहाँ पर है ना illusion world we create and we get attached to it like everything is permanent.
Priya, any thoughts, suggestions? What is one biggest hurdle of a human being?
Fear.
So everybody has a different way of
Fear.
fear.
Fear of acceptance, fear of losing, fear of what people will say, fear of everything. Fear which generates all other characters from fear.
Do you agree or not that our more our attachments are the biggest hurdle?
That is also from fear.
No, but our attachment is generating fear, right?
Attachment is generating fear.
So
Or fear is generating attachment.
No.
It goes both ways.
No, if you are attached, then you have a fear.
No, if you don't want to be attached, but there is a fear of acceptance or fear that people will not believe me, will keep you attached with whatever attachment you have because you don't want to lose yourself amongst others and you are accepting what you're accepting. You don't want to be attached, but you're attaching because of the family, because of the community, of the society, of everything.
Let's put this part. Job. Coming back to this, one thing is something is called destiny. Certain things are destined to happen, and certain things are created to hamper the destiny. Also, people try to do that. And when it's destined to happen, even Bhagavan himself cannot escape that destiny. Since he's the creator, so he will create everything around for that to facilitate. Now, what does it mean for us? It's a very thoughtful thing, Raja, that we've been discussing this in some sessions before, that how do you think that I want to be blessed to have Kalgi Avatar taking birth as my child, right? Or how do I come to the moments and live with Kalgi Avatar, those moments when Kalgi Avatar is going to be there? Or how do I become blessed to have uh, any saint in duration, this period of time becomes my connection? So going back to our scriptures of knowledge, a home of knowledge, right? We have to really try to know who we are is the key. If we know who we are, if we are able to succeed in identifying ourselves and our journey, we will have no problems with the current scenarios of life. We will not think of why me. We'll be out of it. He said, why? Like why will this question not come to me? He said it will not come to you because now you know that wherever you have come is just a temporary phase of your life. A human form is not a permanent phase of your life. Human form is an opportunity of ending the karmic action, getting out clear and clean to move on forward. There are so many facts.
Or do more karma and get into this cycle and never be able to come out of this cycle.
So there are a couple of
Goes
things.
both ways, right?
Yes. So what happens is there's a beautiful thing here, right? तो चाय है उसमें थोड़ी सी दे दे so नहीं so another very bigger part will, and I'll make you understand, will come back here, and that is why I wanted to talk to you guys this way. All our sages who were there in the past period of our life, right? Prior to much years and years, thousands of years before also. They were so powerful, though so simple. Very powerful, but very simple. Powerful insight, simplicity in a living world. They were not to showcase anything outside the world. But those days were different because the sages were respected in a high dignity, and everything was out. Even the kings would bow down to them to give them the best for them. If they were getting, suppose they were getting married to somebody, or they went along with somebody, and the child coming from them used to be equally or more powerful. What does it mean? It means that you on your own, if you have these, your brains are good enough, your brains are strong enough, you are very, you're carrying your thoughts in a very clear and strong manner, you're devoted, dedication, meditative, very all the time in the meditative state of mind. So when your journey of togetherness comes up, even the person you bring in the world will have that same intensity to come out, because that karmic circle will bring that up. Realization of no way that attachments have no meaning.
But it also depends with whom we have been talking of. If, for example, if the sadhu is his wife is not spiritually elevated enough. How Ravan was born. His father was Tilakta Rishi, but mother was from the Rakshas side. So he got the Rakshas side also, and he got this side also.
So he went to the highest form of bhakti. And he got Indrajit was also very strong. Good, bad is different, but they were equally blessed with that divinity and powers. House of knowledge was Ravana, right? He might have gone in a demon's family. Obviously, two genes collabed together, but the sanskar of Pulas Rishi did not take away from him, and that was not taken away from his son also. Why are we discussing this today? Why?
I'm sorry to interfere. मेरा ये फोन में चार्ज नहीं है. आप मुझे वो लिंक रेगुलर मैसेज में डाल दोगे तो मैं आईपैड से लॉगिन करूं?
हाँ कर देते हैं.
मुझे रेगुलर मैसेज में भेज दो, मैं आईपैड से लॉगिन करूं.
Raghu, can you send
Yes, Babaji.
regular message to Gudiya?
Yeah.
Okay, Gudiya, you're getting a message.
Okay, yes, sir.
So remember one thing, any idea, I want to know from you, because this question is very deeply to understand.
I want to know. So what you're saying is not something new necessarily, and I can say, okay, I know that, but I don't know why I can't have it in my life practically.
Will come.
Yeah, that's a part.
Will come. So any light on that? So coming back, so there are a lot of things we should read certain scriptures which has a lot of values. And one of the discussions also came, why Rama, Shri Ram, he was the most, like his life journey was the most painful journey he had from childhood. We understand that? Deepak.
Yeah, because he suffered
His life was full of suffering.
Yeah.
From getting married to things like that, right? Ajay, I'll call you back. Just remember, just in a satsang, Ajay, let me call back.
हाँ जी.
मैं satsang के चाहता हूँ बाद में कॉल करता है.
A lot of pain.
A lot of sufferings he went through his life, like, sorry?
Tests.
You may call it test, but it was basically suffering of his birth. His guru said, come with me, you got to marry that. Destined, but went. He comes back and says, you cannot be a king, you got to go in exile. How can you live 14 years in the forest? Being a son of a king?
But
Leave everything
he
and
was aware that he is Narayan.
गुड़िया पूरी बात तो होने दो.
Sorry.
That is the gist of it. That is the gist. Coming back to exactly the same thing. Fighting with Ravana, coming back and again getting away from children, wife going away, killing Lakshman, a lot of factors.
Ram killed Lakshman.
I didn't know about that part. Killed Lakshman?
पर रामायण में तो ऐसा दिखाया गया है कि जब उनको
परम धाम की चले गए. This all we have to go more deeper to that. We'll come back sometime.
Yeah, but he never got attached with the kingdom and
So
the
biggest part was he was not attached to anything ever. He took the life that this is the journey I have to go through because of the curse I have.
Curse from the mother.
No,
from the past.
past saint, that you will also suffer the same pain of being away from your wife. Will come.
Wasn't he God?
Yeah, but doesn't matter. You are more powerful. Yes. You are more powerful. You are more stronger. As Gudiya just said, the biggest gist was that he knew that he is Narayan. Being aware who I am and I'm just on a partial journey is the key. Why are we in fear all the time? Why are Gudiya said that we live in fear? Right? What does it mean, Putra? All the time in fear. What will happen to my life? What will happen to this? What will happen to that? Yesterday we were discussing, in the night I had a family, and Baba brought about two things, Vanprastha and Ekantavasa. Vanprastha is, at a certain stage of life, you walk away from everything and live in Himalayas or in a forest or an ashram, or create your own ashram and live there. Just eat, meditate, sleep, do little bit things there for your basic, that's all, nothing else. And alone, that's Ekantavasa. Ekant means alone, away from everything. And today I came up with something and I wanted to ask this part. It's very deep. And Gudiya, you can help us. If there's anything more you can put. 1 second hold karna putta. 1 second, sorry. जी उत्तर जैसा मेरे बच्चे उत्तर एक बंदा सीगा कहना मैं जल्दी जाना, दूजा कहना मैं लेट जाना है. अच्छा कोई भी नहीं हैगा तो कोई घबरा नहीं पुत्र, गिरीश ਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਾ ਭੇਜ ਦਿਓ. इट्स ओके. नहीं वीर जी ਉੱਥੇ ਕੱਲਾ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਏਗਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਪੈਕਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ गिरीश ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੇ ਸੁਮਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤੇ ਸੁਮਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਵੈਨ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰ ਲੈਣ. ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ 10:30 ਪੌਣੇ 11 ਵਜੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਗਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਾਂਗੇ. ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਪੁੱਤ, ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖ. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਸੁਖਮਨ ਵੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਦੋ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ, ਦੋਨੋਂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ. Sorry guys, because homeless seva had to be done. There's some little challenges that we had to overcome. So coming back to one question I have, ages and sages have gone. Brahmalok, Shivlok, Narayan Lok is gone. The power of bringing, the power of one mantra which could change your destiny is not happening nowadays. The surrender is not happening nowadays. How many saints, sages on this current scenario can claim? I know one, that I can talk to Bhagavan. Communication can be otherwise. Talk to Bhagavan. Have darshans of Bhagavan live. I cannot. How many you know? Anybody who can claim that I have that part to it. Huh? Narani, Raghu, anybody? I can't agree. Huh? Gudiya can. Gudiya, I know. Agree. That's why I said I know one. That's why I said that I know one.
Babaji or Ma.
Nahi, Putra, not me. Gudiya, I agree. Yes, Gudiya can. Gudiya does. Gudiya all the time.
I've talked with Baba.
Nahi, Putra. My talking with Baba is just myself. I have no knowledge, mera bacha. I'll be very honest with you. I strongly believe that he loves, he cares, and he makes things happen. I was telling Gudiya this morning also the same thing. Yeah, I told Prabhakar yesterday night when they were here that anything downloading and coming out has nothing to do with me. It's like that Google Doc, Google Home you have. Google, I want Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Google plays Om Namo Bhagavate. Google is raining, what is the weather today? So it is like that. It is already connection with some, what is that? It's connection through satellite or something. Raghu, how does that work? That Google Home robot?
I have no idea, Babaji.
So,
No, but add your bhav to it, unlike Google, and it is completely different. It cannot be like
Putri, let me help. I want all of you to understand today that work on yourself. Work on yourself. Don't look at people. Don't judgment, comparing. Don't do all those things. Don't live a life which has no meaning. You are blessed to have a human form. You are blessed. You can connect, get one wherever your faith lies. It does not have to be one. Whomever you love, get connected right there. Give your best time to that. If you are not able to get connected in this birth, when will there be the next opportunity for you to get connected? When? When?
Never.
Rishi?
So you know the way you said new, right? That he's not iron. So everything he faced, it was like obviously he can be detached from it. But we know knowledge wise, like you're telling me, I've read it a billion times, but why is that no? How do I get that knowing? So that it's totally like, then obviously then I wouldn't care either.
Walk.
But he knew, like he just knew.
That's exactly I said. You missed it. Then I said, you are blessed to have a human form, and this is your opportunity to work to get connected. This is walk towards it. Mera bacha, I'll share with you. Yesterday night when we were doing Arati for Baba, Shade Arati, Deepak was there. It was intense heat. Intense heat. I was sweating badly. I showed Prabhat. It's nothing to do with me. Trust me, it's nothing to do with me. What was it? It was His grace. It was just His blessings.
If I may, it is a slight clarification actually. I'm just trying to connect the dots. A few weeks back, Baba said that Sri Ram, I mean, from Rajkumar Ram, he became Bhagwan Ram, Sri Ram, after he finished his Vanvas. So, is it that he realized he is Sri Ram after going through the hardships of Brahma? At that time, he was not in full realization that he is Sri Ram?
No. Prabhu Ram, when he was born also, right? If you know, there's the story of Kakbhushandi. The whole universe is there. It was there. For people, he became Maryada Purushottam after coming back from exile. After coming back,
Only after he agreed to send Sita for the Agni Pariksha, after that he became Purushottam, Maryada Purushottam, because everybody understood that, अगर वो स्वयं राजा होके अपने बीवी को आग में जाने के लिए बोल सकता है, सिर्फ एक छोटा सा आदमी ने प्रश्न किया, तो इनसे ज्यादा मर्यादा और किसी को नहीं मिल सकता.
So coming back to Buddha, the power of Ram, the power of the name of Ram was clearly defined when they wrote it on the stones. And they floated.
And do they know the story when when he went to put the stone, because he saw everybody was doing that, he said, okay, so he went and he took a stone and he put it in the water, it sank. And then everybody asked,
No.
No.
Ramji got sad and Hanumanji came. And Hanumanji like, why are you this? आप सब डालते हो पत्थर, you put it and it sails. When I put that, it drowns. Then Hanumanji said कि प्रभु जिसको राम छोड़ देंगे वो कहां से तरेगा? अगर राम ही
Exactly. Go ahead, sir.
नहीं गुड़िया, मतलब it's a very touching part for me. That is, I'm sorry, but I could not, because it shakes me bad. Shakes me very badly. कि जिसको भगवान ने ही छोड़ दिया वो कहां से तरेगा? हम पत्थर से बोले, हम we are worse than a stone.
It's very important to understand the internal meaning of what Bhai is trying to tell.
मेरे माथे पे राम लिख दो, दुनिया मुझे पूजने लगेगी. मेरे माथे पे राम लिख दो, हो गया ना, पत्थर की कीमत पड़ गई, बिना राम लिखे तो डूब जाऊंगा ना। तो your aura, your energies, your thoughts should change so much that people start to feel that somebody has come. You don't have to pose and say things, because automatically your presence will define that somebody has come. There is some kind of an energy is there. When you walk in, when you meet, when you talk. I'm a very small person, Raja. I'm a very, very small person. I have no.
You're 120 kg, 5 feet 10 inch लंबा, मोटा पे दरवाजे में अटक जाता है. How can you be a small person, huh? झूठ बोलने शर्म नहीं आती? इतनी मोटे लंबे चौड़े इंसानों के ऐसे बोलते हो?
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. 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 Nahi, Raja. I want to hear from all of you.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai
Can
Ram,
I
Jai
interrupt?
Jai Ram.
Can I interrupt? I'm really sorry, but what I want to say is that ask them to sing one by one, but before closing your eyes and bringing Ram in front of your eyes, then you sing as if you're pouring your love on his feet.
Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, 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 Jai Jai Ram,
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram,
Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram.
Jai Jai Ram.
हर वो पत्ता, हर वो फूल कितना भाग्यशाली है वो। Every leaf, every flower, every plant here is so blessed. Imagine how much of a differentiation is there within the environment around. You are chanting a name, and all of them around, wherever the sound could go, could hear. How many places are there in the world? Huh? What I'm trying to say is, I'm not trying to put anything else, just trying to give you an example that your plantation also has to be in the right place to be able to get the right things. If you're not planted in a right manner, a tree at the backside is not getting what we are talking. Is it? So that means we need to be at the right place. We need to be at positioning ourselves in the right area where we can get that environment and blessings to move on in life. If you are in a wrong place or you're surrounded by wrong things, you're not going to get anything. You lost that time, you lost the energy, you lost your concentration, and now what? I also lost the opportunity to connect.
That can also happen at the right place.
Nahi putra.
If one loses focus.
That's your bad luck. If you're sitting at the right place, you're not focused, and that is your bad luck, sir, purely. Sitting here also, if you're somewhere else, then it is your problem.
Sitting here also, if you're looking at Maya and not Baba, because Maya is very powerful.
Again, it is your part, Raja. It's purely you. See, not everybody comes to Bhagavan to say, I want to join you.
Some people just come to, some people are part of Baba's scheme of things so that they create obstacles in your life.
People come let Bhagavan know, join me. But they don't tell Bhagavan, I want to join you. You join me, why? हाँ दीपक? रघु, why?
They have different.
आपका नाम रघु है? अच्छा. Why does people want to Bhagavan to join? Why don't we want to join Bhagavan? Rishi?
Because we want him to fulfill our attachments.
We want her to fulfill our attachments.
Yes.
Progressing. Wow. So if he joins us, that our problems are your problem. Our worries are your worries. We are feeding you, we are doing aarti to you, we are doing everything for you. Take care of us. It is your problem. Yay! Because if we come to you, then we have to become like you,
We have to leave everything.
which is not possible for you. You will still have to leave. रोके या हंस के छोड़नी तो पड़ेगी. छोड़नी तो पड़ेगी राजा. तुझको जीना है जी, सब्र के घूट पी. शुक्र कर तू के ये जिंदगी मिल गई. शुक्र कर तू के तूफान हजारों मिले. शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई. शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई. अब आप बताओ राजा, आप लोग सोचो, आप मुझे बताओ. You guys tell me.
Everybody, it is good to be the weakest link, because the weakest link होते हैं तो बाबा वैसे हैं, he will give more attention ताकि लाइन पे आ जाए. It is good. फिर आप बॉटम में होते रहे, बाबा की कृपा मिलती ही रहेगा, बाबा ज़रा attention दे. Sometimes it is good.
उत्तर एक बात समझ लो.
हम हाथ छोड़ देंगे, वो तो नहीं छोड़ते.
एक बात समझ लो राजा. You've got a human birth. You have the capacity to beat Indra. You have the capacity. हाँ क्या हुआ?
Last week कुछ टॉपिक पे बात हुई है तो remember in the heaven तो
क्या चीज हुई थी?
डिस्कशन ही मोबाइल पर.
लास्ट आया था जब हेवन के बारे में, तो ये आया था कि when you try to grow, gods will create obstacles. So
देवतास.
devtas will create obstacles because they don't. So ये बात है कि we don't want Indrapad. So why should they create obstacles?
But he doesn't know that. No? You may change after some
He
time.
doesn't know that, or sometimes he just doesn't want you to go ahead. That's what Baba says.
That's all. So what do we need to do? Huh?
Keep walking the path.
Huh?
Keep walking the path.
How?
Meditation.
Detaining yourself.
बाबा जी
Detain. हाँ बच्चे.
नहीं बाद में पूछती हूँ.
What happened? Detention centers, right? Detention centers are the detain yourself.
So we have to fight.
Detain yourself. Yes, you have to fight with yourself. Retain your services. Maintain your balance, and continue to progress. detain yourself. Retain your relationship. Maintain that part and continue to progress. Detain, retain, maintain, and continue. पुत्र, एक बात समझो मेरे बच्चे, आपके पास you've got families, friends, everybody around you. साथ किसने जाना है? Who's going with you? If you don't know where to go, then where will you go?
I heard few cases, people like the Jyotin case of yesterday, Logopenia. They slept and they woke up.
Lucky them. But do you know where you have to go? You have the opportunity now to plan where you want to go. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Putra, coming back to the original thing where we started today. If you on your own can realize who you are, if you can work on your identity, if you can make sure that you understand you can reach the highest form, you can change the world. You can change a lot of things in a good way. We need to elevate ourselves to be able to do things. Elevation will only come when you are deep into sadhana, is the only key. When you're always into meditative state of mind, will help you. And to always be alert doesn't come easy. It requires an effort on a day-to-day basis, hour-to-hour basis. Every minute and second that my life is not for fun. My life doesn't mean enjoyment and what is around me. That is not my life. That is not my life. Every single split second I should realize I have to give something where people can really enjoy. I have to talk in a manner it could give peace. I have to do actions which will make immense impact on him. I have to change, to contribute. I have to remember I am not here permanently. I'm in a transit journey. I have to leave this. It is just a journey of realization to know who I am, the give and take with my family, friends, mother, father, children, spouse, anybody. You may have somebody, you may not have anybody, doesn't mean anything. If you may recollect, how many of you know the story of Bhisham Pitama. You know Bhisham Pitama, right? No. Very good.
महाभारत में दिखाया वही बता रहा
Very good. Very good. Shame on you, Raj. Who's Bhisham Pitama?
हूँ। He never got married
Why?
because I think उन्होंने जो महाभारत में दिखाया था जी वो राजा तो महाभारत में थोड़ी स्टोरी बताई है
उसके आगे क्या है?
He wanted to, his father wanted to marry a fisherman's daughter, and fisherman's daughter's father said that if his father marries his daughter, then he has to give the kingdom to him.
But who? Right. But right. No, I'm not. I don't want to know that. That was for him.
So
What I want to know, what is the story, gist of story of Bhisham Pitama? Right? But there is much more beyond that.
no attachment with the kingdom that's why he gave up right
No, he was attacked. He cared for the kingdom.
yeah, like responsibility but राजा बनने की
That was there.
Loyalty to father.
Now go more back. What is? Do you know the story of parents of Bhisham Pitama?
In that birth, it was Mother Ganga and Shantanu.
Right. And what is the story of Mother Ganga and Shantanu?
Mother Ganga and Shantanu got married, and Mother Ganga said that whatever I do, you will not question my actions.
Shantanu was told before this.
Before marriage.
Before meeting Ma Ganga, he was already made aware that you will be meeting somebody, but don't question. Right.
And don't question the actions. And every time a child was born to them, he would go and immerse and drown the child in the Ganges, in Ganga.
He would not drown. She would not drown them. Leave them.
Leave them. And Shantanu couldn't say anything. Then after 7 children, I think, the eighth one, he said stop. And he questioned. And that child went on to become Bhishma Pitama. It was Devras.
Yeah.
And then later.
And do we know that? And think of this, Ma Ganga. This is the realization factor which I'm sharing with all of you now. Mata Ganga had to do a favor to these all 8 children because of their curse in a previous birth. I forgot the Rishi's name who cursed them. So, because of Rishi's curse, and Rishi only brought up that if there is a possibility of you to get birth and released, your curse will be gone.
It was still Kamdenu, so I think it was Vashishmanu, it was Kamdenu.
I think so. I think so. I don't remember that precisely. But the good part is what I want to bring it up. I think we'll do that part and come back to it. The good part was that they went to Ma Ganga to get over with the curse. Ma Ganga gave them the promise, the boon, okay, I will help you. I will give you birth. And as I give you birth, I'll leave you in the Ganges so that you're over with your curse. And you can go back to path. You have to understand all these things very carefully. So the power of Rishi who curses has to be fulfilled. The power of blessings has to be fulfilled. Realization that there's a curse we need to get over with that is also there. A realization of getting over the curse is also there, and realization of coming back to the original form is also there. It's all realization, no attachment, right? So now Ma Ganga, she has to marry somebody now. So she has to come in a human form to marry, to give birth to those children. Understand the intensity of everything. आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? अच्छा. Understand the intensity here.
Actually, yes. I'm sorry. आपके के थ्रू आया था कि Bhishma Pitama, he had some past karma because of which he had to be born again. Others could move on. And one of the things was that while he was sitting in a meditation, he saw a snake and he was just throwing the snake aside, but inadvertently there was a thorn thing there, and the snake got caught in the thorn, and that's why he had to lay down in the.
There are actually two stories to that, but one of them is that. Okay. Right. So what happens is now, Ma Ganga willingly going to marry somebody on her conditions to get the promise she gave to the 8 saints before. So she is willing to be a mother and release them. So she gives birth to these children. And imagine, can any mother do that? Is there any mother who can give a birth to 7 children, 8 children, and let them go in the flow of water? Do we have anybody today? No. Second part. The realization was there because whether it is Mahaganga's part or anything, it is there. Right? What does it mean? How much of elevate in a human form also, Mahaganga very well knew that she is Mahaganga. She very well knew and remembered that she has promised that children to get them out of the curse. And that can only happen when she gives the birth to 8 of them. So she chooses to marry that person. Now what? Now the key factor starts. She also very well knows that the 8th child has to sustain, and the king could not take it anymore. The king could not take it anymore. He happened to ask the question.
Everything
Happens because of the circle of life and the curse and knowing, but it could only sustain because of what? Who I am, no attachment. A mother giving a birth to a child and saying, go in the water, can any mother do it? No, because knew there's no attachment to it. It is just my karmic actions that I have to come and do. But the king got attached. So he went into sufferings.
But he had to get attached, right, in order for the 8th one to have life.
He was attached from first also.
Right, but what I meant was that, like, he needed to play that role as well in order for the 8th one to not walk, right?
In a way, yes. Yes. So they knew that he will interrupt.
So then what are we working towards? Like, even
Elevation.
attachments.
Elevation.
But then in that scenario, it was his attachment that created completed the karma or whatever that the 8th child had to survive.
Right.
But if he didn't play that role of attachment, then
Then there would have been, then he would have not had to go through all that what he went through also. After that also.
Who, the child or
the father, the king, the father.
Okay, so if he didn't go through all that he had to, but then what about the 8th child? How would he have survived if the
Right.
father didn't do that?
So what would have happened is then the birth circle in that case, 99% that should have happened. 99%. But if you become an elevated soul and you become quiet and you let that happen, it is the process I promised, let it be. The karmic action would have gone other way around to come up. Somebody would have survived, taken the child, still would have happened. It's not would have not happened, would have happened. But would have been, but he would have been out of that part. And that's the difficult part.
So in the case of the mother, she came already knowing what her role, she knew. So
Yeah.
she didn't get attached to everything.
No.
The king, who doesn't know, was attached to everything.
Yeah.
We're in that situation where we're just attached to everything.
We are attached to everything. Thank you. Elevated soul, eh?
My question is, how do we get to that point? Like, again, it's still like
Consistent and constant efforts of meditation, of sadhana. Nothing.
But in practicality, even knowing what may happen, still people get attached and hold on to that attachment, knowing fully well that that's not what he or she is supposed to do.
So there are two things here. Love is not attachment. Conditional love is attachment. Love is not attachment. That you have to remember. If you don't have that, you will not have problems. How we get, how we get rolled out. Somebody said to me this morning, I had to go and do this, drop my wife and come back. Just saying. Don't have a life of fear. Have a life of freedom. Fear and freedom are two different. There's no charge. But if you have fear, there are charges. Daksho, I saw you.
Dakshu.
So what?
Where are you? We all saw you. You cannot hide anymore.
So in that example, freedom is don't go drop your wife.
Sorry, we didn't hear. What is it?
This is putting a person in trouble.
And now everybody should hear Som's laugh that we love so much. What did Nishi say? We didn't hear.
Nishi said, how about if you get beaten up by your wife?
There is karma also.
So let's come back and conclude this part, okay? So he is supposed to drop his wife as his duty or out of love. And my wife, I had.
Jai Sai Ram.
Oh, I saw somebody.
Yeah.
I saw somebody. Oh, Dakshu.
Oh my God, I did not eat his dal for a very long time. अच्छा देवा को भी उसी समय भौंकना है जब हम दक्षु बोल रहे हैं.
If he's doing it with rightfulness, duty, there is no trouble.
See the simple thing, very simple, very, very simple. Whatever you expect from your own children, you have to do the same for the Almighty, because we are His children or her children. So whatever we think that our child is not doing correctly, and they should be this and they should be that, then the same thing comes with us. We should be doing those things first before asking our children to perform a certain way. That means if we are not doing that, that means our father, our mother is not happy with us. So we need to do everything, little to small, to thoughts, to work, everything we need to do the way our parents will be happy. We just have to make our parents happy. And if we can make our parents happy, our children will make us happy.
Now, here's one more thing, Raja. I want to clarify something like this here. What Gudiya said has a deep meaning, but also remember one thing more. And I said this yesterday. There are two parents are physical guru, body guru, not soul guru.
Spiritual guru.
Spiritual gurus are.
They are not.
They are not spiritual gurus. Some parents may be very elevated, may help you. Like Raja Dashrath was actually spiritual, but still he had no control of his children getting married.
His love towards Ram, his attachment towards Ram, he could not control that.
So let Vasishtha Muni had the authority over his parents.
Yeah.
So Rishi Vasishtha had that power over the parents also. So they listened. They did not argue. They were not informed.
But for example, unless someone is an elevated soul like Vasishtha Muni, his son he may be a guru to his son. Is what I'm thinking about.
So Guru Dronacharya, who was his son?
Ashwatthama.
Who was Ashwatthama's guru?
Dronacharya was his Acharya and guru.
They always remember, but Dronacharya had a more toward Ashwatthama.
Yeah. Yeah, attachment.
That was the problem there. So the biggest part in our life is that when we get attached, the ultimately comes down to one thing, Raja. Let's put it this. Ultimately, till you're surrendered to your Bhagavan, to your Guru, you're not leading anywhere.
That is why they say Brahma, Guru is above Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh.
Okay. लीडिंग तो आपने भी बोला है, तो उसके साथ हमें जो हमारी जो हम ये अटैचमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट, तो ये नेचुरल आपको अपनी फैमिली मेंबर से हो
अरे प्रभु राम के चरणों में तो आएगा। You should have thrown that side. नहीं कुछ नहीं होती. Go ahead.
उनके पैर के नीचे एक पेट्रोल या कुछ लगा है.
Oh, that's okay. So these things are natural things.
No, these are unnatural.
Unnatural.
Yes. Your attachments are unnatural. It is your creation. Like Nalini right now, just with Dakshu, right? It's an attachment.
ये जो attachments are unnatural.
Loving is no problem. Remember this, okay? Love unconditional is no problem, but my Dakshu is a problem. Like, that's attachment. Do you get me?
I'm getting confused.
You're not getting confused. You are confused.
I'm confused.
So you get married to your wife and you get children out of that.
Yeah.
That is a process of life. That is how it's part to be. You are married or not married doesn't make anything. You are being given that is destined to be there. Your responsibility to do karma, to feed them is there. To take care of them, guide them, It's your duty.
It should be like duty, not like
Huh?
उसको duty की तरह करो.
Duty की तरह करो. But we are more focused on beauty than duty.
वो भी जरूरी है.
नहीं, तभी तो आदमी मरता है. तभी तो आदमी भ्रम में रह के सिर्फ वासना में रह जाता है.
हाँ, ये बात है.
भोग, एक बात ध्यान रखना राजे, विल टॉक सम अदर टाइम, आई विल टेल यू दिस. भोग कोई बुरी चीज नहीं है. खाना,
Yeah, that-
हाँ खाना.
Sensual pleasure.
लेकिन जब तक आप उस पे अटैच नहीं हो जाते. You don't get-
Can I say something?
Yeah, why not?
In Deepak's question, and I can very well understand why he's a little confused, and so is Nishi, is because, see, the simple thing, this is what Baba taught me, is that when you go for a job interview, you give your interview, you get the job, they tell you these are your work, these are the things that you need to do, and these are the things you should not do, and etc., etc. So when you're going to work, you're doing your job, you're reporting to your boss says good or bad, you take it. If it is bad, you try to work harder. If it is good, you're very happy. And you continue every month. At the end of the month, you get your monthly salary, and you continue like that, and you work even harder, and then you get a promotion, and so on and so forth. So it's the same thing in the spiritual world also, where this is a duty that we are born with, that this is our parents, these are our siblings, our friends, relatives, and then move on to boyfriend, girlfriend, and then move on to husband, wife, children. So you're doing the exact thing that you're doing at work. You're getting promotion from being a child to a teenager, to a man or a woman, and you get responsibilities as you grow, like how you get promotions. But at job, things goes wrong when you become personal with that job. If you become personal with your boss or with somebody, and you try to see things instead of in a more practical way, that this is work and this is what I can do and this will take me forward, I take a different route. I decide to make it personal, so that instead of working that much, I will still get promotion because I'm having a personal relation. So then what happens is, after a certain period of time, that promotion does not remain the same, because it's not your hard-earned promotion. You know very well from within that you did not work hard for this promotion. So it's the same with the spiritual world also. You do all the work without being attached as your duty, that I will get up in the morning, I'll go and do arrange breakfast, cook breakfast, arrange lunch, go take a shower, do puja, go to work, come home, invite friends over in the weekend. These are all the part of the job which needs to be done without having any personal attachment. Then when people will talk or say things or negativities, it will not affect you in any way, because you are not attached to all these things personally. You can see things much bigger, much better, much further, and your life remains a very peaceful life, because you're doing every duty with love and full understanding, but no personal attachment. Thank you.
another question.
Now, if you have any questions, you can ask Bhai and Bhai can reply.
So नाम सिमरन करना है, so we have to attach it. इसमें तो हमें attach होना पड़ेगा.
Okay, when you chant, it is not exact kind. It is kind of attachment, but not attachment. Okay, understand this.
So half an hour कर रहे हैं, 1 hour, 20 minutes, whatever time you do. But those that minutes, you have to proper connect with Baba or.
It's not attachment.
So get connected is attachment.
No, it's not attachment. Okay, let me put this to you. I know you may not understand, but I'll tell you because it's a different example. So normally, ladies understand that faster. If you're cooking something, you need to attach while cooking, or you need to be focused while cooking. You need to be focused. Why? Because if you don't have a right kind of a focus and a right of a thoughts while cooking, what will happen? It'll just be cooked food. It will not be a food cooked with love. It will not have the aroma, the taste or flavor will not come.
So like when we drive the car, we have to focus while driving, not get.
Simple. So you're not attaching yourself.
So that everything is part of the life of the journey we have to go through.
Huh?
Everything is part of the.
It is just a
Yes.
journey. It is nothing you have to attach yourself to.
And when you're doing Namjap, you're trying to elevate yourself by doing that. But at that time, you're thinking that Baba is inside you, sitting inside you, and you're trying to connect with him through that Namjap. Not outwardly, inwardly. Spiritual is always inward. Spiritual life means, spiritual journey means your inward journey.
तो फिर ही क्या मैं सत्संग के बाद ही फोन करूंगा? मैं तो टूट गया ही नहीं.
कौन है? So for Deepak, just understand this: the spiritual journey is always an inward journey. Spiritual journey is not an external journey or outward journey. It's completely inwards. The journey is inwards, within you.
रणवीर है बात.
Okay.
माँ यहाँ पर नाम जप के यहाँ पर मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है माँ.
हाँ.
पहले नाम जप है ना आउटसाइड करने के आउटसाइड होता था, लेकिन आजकल है ना मुझे ना मैंने थोड़ी देर के बाद है ना इंटरनल एकदम क्वाइटली इंटरनल नाम जप करने का मैंने लगता है आउटसाइड से भी ज्यादा मैंने बाहर बोलने से भी इंटरनली माइंड में नाम जप करने का ऐसे लगता है.
Right. So you start externally. You start externally, but because you were focused on your inward journey, so now that sound that was external has come together and put it inside you. So now it's an inward journey. So now you feel you want to remain quiet. You want to remain quiet, but because you have trained your body and mind to take the name, it is constantly going inwardly. So that means the Baba who is inside you is now active with your thoughts also. And that's why it's a very pleasant and a very happy time where you can be quiet, you can be alone, you can be yourself, but you're in the most happiest time that you are spending that, because you are your inward journey is going on and you got that connection with that Almighty who is sitting inside you. That's why spiritual journey is always an internal journey. It's never an external journey. But it has to start from external, because that is how humans are made and humans are born. That's why in Satcharitra, Baba says that first when you start meditating, start to think look at my feet, then slowly go up and look at in between two fingers of my hand, how I keep it. And then through that, through those two fingers, you meditate so much that then you don't need me. Then you don't need a form. Then you can meditate without a form. And when you can meditate without a form, you know that you have come very close to me. But you have to start with that external journey. You have to start with his form.
Yes.
It is simple, Puttars. From Sakar to Nirakar. Very simple. People, they have modified the version and taking different names towards Nirankar and all. It's basically Nirakar.
Nirakar.
Physical form to non-physical form. It's not, it is simple, Mera Bacha, like while you're cooking physically, but the intensity of love and aroma is not physically seen.
But it can be smelled all over.
So that is how you have to groom yourself, that your energies and your aura changes. That's all.
But you need a really good guru and getting a guru is also very...
Oh, Mata, people like you are there. We follow you.
बाबा जी और माँ.
बाबा जी को तो ऐसे ही डाल दो.
बाबा जी मोटे होते जा रहे हैं, माँ पतली होते जा रही है. और देखो यहाँ से हाथ हिला रहा है, किसको पता नहीं.
आ रहे हैं, संत रणबीर आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
तो इसीलिए तो अब बहुत हो गया. आज लंबी क्लास हो गई है. अब जाओ पुत्र, माँ की तरह. बाबा जी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बाबा जी का भी टाइम पास है. टीपी
दोनों है, बाबा जी और माँ दोनों. बाबा जी और माँ दोनों.
सोम पूछ रहा है, आप कह रहे हैं कि आप माता से अलग. मैं कहा बिल्कुल भैया, उनका मुकाबला क्या कर सकता हूं मैं. जो सदाशिव से बात कर सके, सदाशिव के दर्शन पा सके, मेरे जैसे मूर्ख को तो दर्शनों का भी नहीं पता. नहीं, ये आपका इल्यूजन कैरी कर रहे हैं अब एक बहुत लंबे समय से, इसलिए मैं उसको दूर नहीं करना चाहता. क्योंकि मुझे उसमें कोई वो नहीं है कि आप एक भाव से जी रहे हो तो जीते रहो. लेकिन वो एक इल्यूजन है. वो कैसे क्रिएट हुआ मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन वो उसमें वो नहीं है. उसके बहुत डेप्थ में एक बहुत कुछ अलग है कनेक्शन है, बट वो क्या है वो समझना पड़ेगा. वो एक्सटेंशन नहीं है. तो मैं इस सबसे आपसे आज्ञा लेने से पहले हम एक काम करते हैं. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु. श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. चले, सुखी रहे.
जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम.
Dakshu.
Jai Shri Ram.
Dakshu.
Dakshu, show your face. Oh my God. Jai Shri Ram. Oh my God. I have to eat his cheeks very soon. They have grown so much now. I have to eat.
वो मोटा हो गया है माँ, बहुत मोटा हो गया.
क्यों? अभी मैंने वीडियो ऑन किया तेरे को देखने के लिए. Dakshu, show me your face.
Come, please.
So,
Don't be shy.
Dakshu, Nana, अलग
Please.
माँ के face.
Dakshu. See, this is what happens. I have not eaten your cheek for so long That's why. Okay, I will soon eat your cheeks. I will soon do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
बस फिर वापस जब बाबा आने देगा वो वापस आके फिर मोटी हो जाऊंगी. ठीक है ना. वहां पे मुझे इतना मैं 2 दिन मतलब ऐसे ही बाबा को बोल रही थी कि बस मैं लास्ट कुछ सालों से मैं साल में एक बार तो भाग ही जाती थी. अभी अटक गई हूँ तो देखते हैं क्या होता है.
जैसे
बट
जैसे ये थोड़ा बहुत कंप्लीट बने ना. बॉर्डर्स अभी भी सील है ना माँ. वो बॉर्डर्स ओपन.
हाँ नहीं काफी लोग जा रहे आ रहे. मेरे बेटे भी छोटा बेटा भी गया था जस्ट 2 वीक्स पहले. 2 वीक्स पहले हाँ पीछे वो गया था. न्यूयॉर्क गया था 1 वीक के लिए. फिर और कोई एक आंटी आते हैं शायद हम वो भी गई है कैलिफोर्निया. उनके भाई बीमार है. So it is going on, but the rules are still there. I mean, certain rules are there. So yeah. No, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं कितनी बार मैं ऋषि को कहा कि I will call and then हुआ नहीं. कुछ ना कुछ कारण से नहीं हुआ. तो आप लोग करो. मैं कुछ देर में ना जब ऋषि उठ जाएगा ब्रेकफास्ट सब हो जाएगा मेरे को एक मैसेज कर देना. And then I'll call. ठीक है.
जय साईं राम. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देखकर. जय साईं राम.
जय साईं.